Hello students, let us continue with the merits of partnership. In our earlier lectures, we have studied about the meaning and features of partnership. Wherever I have told you that partnership is formed via a agreement. That means partnership is an agreement between two or more persons. What is that agreement? That is something in writing. That means those they want to be partners, they prepare a agreement. That agreement may be written sometimes or that agreement may be oral. But as you know, there is no authenticity of a oral documentation. So every time, most of the times, that agreement is a written agreement. Now the question is, agreement between whom? Agreement between the prospective partners. Prospective partners means whosoever want to be the partners of partnership firm. And they register this partnership business under the law. Earlier it was 1932. Now as I have told you that it is under the Companies Act 2014. But remember, such kind of registration is not compulsory. Yes, if the firm is registered, the firm gets several benefits. That's why business concerns used to register the partnership business. Next one is balanced decision making. Balanced decision making says that when there are more than two persons or two persons in comparison to a sole proprietorship business, these persons may be expertise in their different areas. When these persons are expertise in various areas, means some may be technical sound, some may be sound in preparing business accounts or else different activities. So in that case, these persons are able to take decisions according to their expertise. Not a single person is forced to handle all the activities. So it would result in reducing the burden of work on a single person, as well as the chances of errors may be lesser. That's why only the decisions will be balanced. The next one is more funds. Now, single person, little funds, more than one persons, multiplied by it. That means if a single person is there and in comparison to that, more persons are there, 2 times persons have been increased, the funds will be raised 2 times. If 3 persons are there, funds will be raised in 3 times. So that means more the persons, more the funds. When the more funds will be there, then additional kind of jobs may be done. The next one is sharing of risk. Now the risk will also be shared among different partners. When the risk is being shared, then it would again reduce the burden and stress on the individual partner. The next one is secrecy. The next merit of partnership business is secrecy. So partnership business is not legally required to publish its accounts. In the later forms, as the joint Hindu family joint stock company, I will teach you that it is compulsory to publish its accounts in the media by a joint stock company. But here in the partnership business, it is not compulsory to publish its accounts or submit its reports to the required authority. In this way, confidentiality is also maintained. The next one is limitations of partnership. Wherever few merits are there, definitely there will be some limitations. The one limitation I have already taught to you in the features, that all the partners, they are having unlimited liability as of sole proprietorship business and karta. Sole proprietor is also having a unlimited liability. Karta is also having a unlimited liability, and all the partners are also having a unlimited liability. If we recall the concept of unlimited liability, the unlimited liability says that if the business assets are not sufficient to pay the debts of business, then the partners have to repay the debts from their personal property. And this also I have told you earlier, that if one partner is not able to pay the debts, remaining partner will pay the debts of that partners also. Means if one partner is not having any personal property, and the business debts are to be paid, then it would be paid by the remaining partners, and these remaining partners will recover that amount from the left partner whenever he will be able to repay that debts. Again, I would say, if you remember, I have given you the example of 5 partners, where I have said you that out of 5 partners, if 2 partners are not having any personal property, then rest of the 3 partners would pay the debt, and they are having the right of recovering these debts from the remaining 2 partners whenever it will be possible for them. The next one is limited resources. I have said to you that many of the partners, that means resources will be multiplied, but in comparison to next form of business organization, I am speaking to you that there is their limited resources. The resources are limited as there is a restriction on the number of partners. You will study that the maximum partners can be 50. That means the capital in the business can be contributed by maximum 50 partners. That means firm can expand their business up to the capital contributed by 50 partners. But if I am comparing with the next form of business organization, which is cooperative society or a joint stock company, then their number of partners can be unlimited. The business will definitely expanded according to their number of partners. Next is possibility of conflicts. More the partners, more the conflicts, more the disputes. Why? Because there will be difference in opinions, which will lead to dispute among the partners. One more thing is that we have studied in the feature that every partner is principal as well as an agent. Means that decision is taken by one partner, but it would be applicable to all. If that decision is an unwise decision, then it will definitely ruin the financial health of financial property of all the partners. So that would lead to termination of partnership. The next is lack of continuity. The partnership comes to the end when the death, retirement, insolvency of a partner is there. That means the partnership business is to be closed. And lack of public confidence. If Lack of public confidence says that there is no compulsion for a partnership firm to register under any act. That and as well as it is not compulsory to publish its reports. So how the public will maintain a confidence in that business? If a partnership business needs some funds, so everyone would be feeling risk, or everyone will think of it that uh, पता नहीं इनका financial status कैसा है, will they be able to repay the debts, and they will not develop a confidence in that firms. So partnership business would feel a lack of public confidence. Thank you.